Hey everybody, this is Eric with SmartPot High Caliper Growing, back with another edition of the Growing Revolution podcast. And today we've got Andy Mallory, VP of Vendor Operations with Master Nursery. So can you please explain what is the Master Nursery Garden Center Group?
Master Nursery Garden Centers is a buying co-op nationwide, which consists of probably about 550 garden centers, independents, that kind of pool together to get purchasing power. Real great for small to medium-sized garden centers. Underneath the Master Nursery umbrella, we have probably about 200 vendors like SmartPot that supplies our garden centers. And also we have a line of private label soils, plant foods, stuff like that.
Okay, and if I'm a dealer, why should I join the Master Nursery Network? What's in it for me?
Not only the private label that we mentioned, which is exclusive to our members, but also because we have a lot of purchasing power with our vendors, small to medium-sized independent garden centers can get that purchasing power. Mm-hmm. Whereas if they were purchasing independently, they would not be able to get the discount structures that they would if they were buying through the co-op. So that's why we have so many members nationwide.
Yeah, and how does SmartPot interact with the Master Nursery Network and then benefit the garden center?
Yeah, you guys are a supplier of ours and a vendor, and you offer our members a discount where our members can get it through distribution or direct from you guys. Our members love your product, so it's getting into the garden centers and communicating with the garden centers, so that way SmartPot and you guys are a great partner, and we get you inside to these garden centers. So that's good.
We've really enjoyed being with the Master Nursery Network since we joined. It's been really positive for us, so we're looking forward to growing with you guys going forward.
Absolutely, it's a partnership. All of our vendors are great partners. They love the co-op and we love them.
Awesome. Thank you so much for your time.
No worries. Appreciate it. Thank you.